Alright guys, I'll tell you about the sun glue. And here's part 3 of the so yes, I do apologize for the sun glue. I was hoping to get a better shot of it from this end, but I tried. So we're gonna get in the shade, probably got a little better. And here's the end of it. I don't know how well, let's get that, here's the end part. So, if these part of old rail sign from the hill, it would definitely be better, I do agree with you guys. So, yeah, I wish I could do it better, but I can't win them all. Alright, let me see what I can do with this part. I don't know if it's going to work or not, don't know. So, right now I'm 50-50. And this, so I don't know how well I can see it. Let me see if I can. I know you can see it, but from here, I don't know. I don't know how well I can see it through the woods or through these trees. So I don't know how well. I'll try to get that other end for you guys. There's the middle. Don't know how well you can see that. It's okay with it. And we're coming up to the story in the beginning from part 1. So I'm still. Excuse me. Alright, I'll see you guys on the next one.